Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS from school. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Monishit. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is times table 5 and 6. My dear student, today is our RW class and there is a good news for you. There is no HW today. My dear student, today is our lecture number 31 of annual term. Okay, so let us start our class. Times table 5 and 6. My dear students, in order to writing times table 5 and 6, we need to maintain TO, that means position, one's position and T position, then one box empty. After that you again write TO, then again you kept one box empty and then write TO. Okay, so at first we write times table 5 and it is very important. So notice 5, okay, and this empty box you write into sign. Okay, 5 multiply 0 and 5 zeros are 0. Okay, then 5 ones are 5, then 5 twos are 5 twos are 10, then 5 multiply 3, 5 threes are 15, 5 multiply 4, 5 fours are 20, 5 multiply 5, then you write 5 fives are 25, then 5 multiply 6, 5 6 are 30, 5 multiply 7, 5 sevens are 35, 5 multiply 8, 5 eights are 40, 5 multiply 9, then 5 nines are 45, 5 multiply 10. 1 is written in tens place and 0 is written in ones place. Okay, so 5 tens are 50. Now my dear students, please read with me. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45 and 5 tens are 50. My dear student, I know you are very smart learner. For these reasons you have already learned times table 5, but for your better understand we take this class again. Okay, so our times table 5 is done. Next we shall learn times table 6. In order to write times table 6, we erase times table 5. Okay, now write here 6 multiply 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 multiply 1 and we write 6 ones are 6, 6 multiply 2, 6 twos are 12, 6 multiply 3, 6 threes are 18, 6 multiply 4, 6 fours are 24, 6 multiply 5, 6 fives are 30, 6 multiply 6, 6 sixes are 36, 6 multiply 7, 6 sevens are 42, 6 multiply 8, 6 eights are 48, 6 multiply 9, 6 nines are 54 and 6 multiply 10, 6 tens are 60. So my dear student, this is times table 6. Now please read with me. 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, and 6 10s are 60. Okay, so my dear student, this is our today's lecture and this is our repeat class. I have already told you that for your better understand we take this class again, so you must learn times table 5 6 and others times table. Okay, so my dear students, this is my today's lecture. I hope you have understood. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.